when the new products is brought into the staff that's been used to working with a legacy system, it's kind of overwhelming for how do we understand all this. I try to explain to them that most things are similar in nature. Like if you work in accounts payable, it's pretty similar as accounts receivable, the way it's structured and the way you enter data. But what I also tell them is you can learn all you want by watching videos or going to help screens, which are really beneficial. But ultimately, the way that you learn to work in Sage Intacct is to work in it. That's how I learned. And guess what? You're going to make a mistake, and you're going to learn more correcting that mistake than you did watching any training video or reading any script for training. And it's okay, because that's just part of the learning process. So I try to explain to people that it's okay to try to forge forward in a process that they're maybe not 100% confident that they're doing correctly, but that's how you learn to use the entirety of the system. That's how you learn to understand how you can change things, or how you can reformat things in a way that's going to give you a better end product. And so the more I get the staff people, especially, to buy into that process early on with learning and seeing that they can use the system, the better is in the long run. And then it becomes more rewarding for them to actually understand the processes, understand the system, and they just become more comfortable with it.